Hi everyone! First of all, I would like to acknowledge that I'm a visitor of the unceded territory of the Inlakatmok people here in Lytton, British Columbia, the hotspot of Canada. Here I live with my husband and our four children, and this is our story. So the property that we have now was purchased in 1966 by Patrick Soper. Patrick was a Canadian who had lived in California for over a decade before returning to Canada. Shortly after he came back, he got married, and together they proceeded to turn the property into an amazing landscape and productive farm. They lived in a small house that was already on the property until 1979 when they built a new house. Here they hosted family gatherings and get-togethers, and my husband and his sister had a fantastic time when they visited their grandpa when they were children. Unfortunately, Patrick passed away in 1988. After Patrick's death, the property became inhabited by someone who began to litter the house and land with old vehicles, numerous rusting appliances, old batteries, and any kind of garbage that you could ever imagine. The house fell into disrepair, despair, and was filled to the ceiling. The field around the house was filled with stuff, mostly from the dump that he accumulated over the years, from clothes, garbage, tires, and whatever your mind can think of. Patrick's grandson Robbie, my husband, and I have purchased the property in 2013, and we are undertaking the task of trying to make the property inhabitable for our family. I am very thankful for my in-laws for helping us from the start and also the people who helped us clean in the beginning of this long journey. After we purchased the property, I had to go to the Philippines with my two children for my maternity leave. So my husband and my in-laws worked really hard to empty the house so they can start renovating it.
So we're just going to our property right now. Here it is. In a beautiful Inlakatmak territory is this garbage. Yep, that we needed to clean. Well, it's not ours, but it's ours now. Well, I mean, we did not do this. Okay, somebody has to close the gate.
I will.
And Laura will. Thank you. So here's this one. I kind of wanted to ask somebody to redo or maybe make something as a play place for the children. And then most of these we want to get rid of. Cars after cars. And there it is. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now we're driving, going to our house. I'm getting really nice and slow. There it is. There's the view. Drive going to our place. And Here we are. We're parked. This stick you gave me is so cold. And there's the poop. Poop, poop, poop. Oh, because animals come in here.
Animals poop because they eat. You poop.
Okay, let's go. That bike's so silly. I don't know where you found that. Did you find it in the trash? Oh man. I hope you liked the video that I made about our farm. Please don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to our channel so you'll be updated on what's happening in our amazing journey here in Canada.
Okay.
See you later. Bye.
See you later. Bye.